long pause. I apologize for missing some videos. We ain't been racing because everybody just ain't wanting to race, I reckon. But we are down here at Sumter. We missed the opportunity to come down here last week. Just didn't have our ducks in a row, and we ain't gonna go to the racetrack halfway there. You know what I mean? So we're out here at Sumter with a Thunder Bomber. Rocky's here with us. We got his crowd, all his youngins, and Megan, Camden, Brennan, Lonnie, and Chassie. We got Tay. She's actually supporting me tonight. Y'all gotta check this thing out. Tay, show your little thing on your head.
What?
Your head.
My head?
Yeah, I don't know what that thing's called, but it's pretty cool. But it's hot. But thankful for Sumter to be racing. Got us a little bit of shade out here. But anyhow, looking forward to being able to post videos. It's been a little while.
Got the four of Kitty all the way from Ames, South Carolina.
Didn't quite put down the lap we wanted to. The track was a lot slicker than what I figured it would be, as wet as it was when we got here. But Tay and I are about to eat some famous.
Hot wings, I'm happy.
We'll eat some wings. We're gonna put some more left side weight in the car so we're a little bit better. Get fat. I'm letting Mr. Rocky back there. Rocky's under the left rear. He's gonna do what he wants on that thing, and I don't want to know what he's doing. The car was nowhere near close for the track conditions, so we're gonna have him. I told him, do what you want, do what you think. I don't want to know, and I'll tell him if it was good or not. However, we were consistent. Even if we were slow, we were consistent. We ran an 18.28 and an 18.37 and an 18.37. So we were consistently slow. But we're trying a little bit less gear tonight. I think that's working out pretty good. But yeah, we're gonna do some adjustments. I do know we're putting a wheel spacer on it. I just hope the track don't get real like black and real like rubbered up. Because if it gets rubbered up, we might be able to get some tight. I'm going to get some things right now, but we're gonna go out there and try. Also appreciate Rocky coming down here and obviously helping, come to the shop and helping. Still trying to get him to get ready on, get to work on his stuff. Mr. David Victoria, they was part next to us the late view, and we raced the fellas modified there. So I appreciate him coming down and helping. But we're going to get to work and see what we can do.
your pole man tonight for the Sumter Bomber feature here at Sumter Speedway is the 41 of Robbie Disher. He's got fans everywhere. Look at him. He's got a big fan club down in turn 4. They even made signs for him. It's going to be a nice night tonight. I'm trying to get you at the 9-1 and I'm sure we're going to see plenty of Robin and Deacon's family tonight. Flag man starts the race. Make sure they don't jump. Laps complete. Ronnie Cagle sitting at the top of 4. Something's wrong with his car. Next time around, this is your point, man. It goes when you can in the restart zone. 33 cold, but you're right there behind it. Let's see what kind of restart he gives
So, shitty night. Easiest way to say it. We ended up with a tore up race car because idiot don't know. I don't know. I don't know where the hell he was looking. He must have seen a squirrel or something. Never hit the brakes. I went in. You know, think it was like 5 to go. I had to go. Had a pretty good start there. Was able to gain a couple positions. And that was the last restart. It just. Hole opened up, I throttled up, 2 car come up on me, I got into the 30. That was, we were good to go after that. I did let off. I thought we were pretty tore up because I got hit in both front wheels. I was gonna stop up there, come down pit road, have old Rocky check it out, but it's one of those nights. My shit gets tore up, and yeah. Kind of used to it by now, I reckon. Reckon we had to beat some sheet metal out and come back down here and bust our ass. We were off in qualifying, and we were able to make some adjustments. I told Rocky, I said, do what you want. We're going to test tonight. Don't tell me, I'm going to guess after. And it worked. Track kind of fell in our hands too, I think. Took a little bit of rubber to catch us. But, yeah. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Kind of makes me not want to bring a nice car down here. But I just...
Nah, we just leave it out front.
Well, I will say, the 4 cars, once I was in 5th, the 9 got around me. The 4 cars in front of us, there's no telling how much money they got in the Thunder Bombers. I mean, they got top-notch stuff like our white cars. So, and those are guys, all those guys race clean, you know? It's just when you get back there in the bottom of the barrel guys that just, I don't know if they don't have experience or they don't care what it is. It's just some people just shouldn't own race cars, you know, and seem to find every one of them at a racetrack. I got a magnet on my car. But anyhow, appreciate everybody. David, Megan. I love putting her on the videos because she don't like it. Chassis. We got Tay taking damage reports. I don't know who the other guy is, but Brendan and Camden and Lonnie are on the truck. I think they're ready to go. Oh, they got impounded, I guess you could say. So they didn't go beat somebody up, but love them youngins. But anyhow, I appreciate all the help, all the people that help us out with some money and everything. Mr. Mike, Checker Brunette, myself, None the Dirt, Torque Racing Supply, or not Racing Supply. Sorry, that's Michael Welch. Didn't mean to shout you out, but there you go, bud. I don't even know if he's still open or not, but Torque Performance. Is it Performance still? Anyways, Rocky. Rocky. But anyhow, make sure you drop down, like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget that our other black car, thankfully we didn't have it down here because that car's getting raffled off. So go over to the description of this video. I'll put a link for the raffle on my Facebook page, and you can go get a ticket for $100, 60 spots, and the winner's gonna get the car. Seconds, what I do, $500, and then third gets a hoodie, t-shirt, and a hat. Thank you to my beautiful woman right there, Checker Brunette. So yeah, I'm kind of talking a lot, but appreciate y'all. Come back, see us. We're gonna have to go run some people off the car, trying to find what we got. But anyhow, see y'all on the next one.